So we're just going to demonstrate how to change the controller to your tuning machine. So you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flat bladed knife or spatula to do what we need to do. So first of all, enter a receptacle for your First of all, we need a flat blade, and we need these two plugs at the back of the machine. Like so. We've got a Phillips head screwdriver to locate the screws embedded in the foot cradle. So we just need to find those. Have them loose, just need to tip them out and put them in the The cradle comes off just by using it side to side like that. Let's put it to one side. Turn the machine upside down. And note that the roller screws these screws have to come undone. You do not have to take the piece open screws. So I'll take these until I've already taken a number of the screws out. So I'll just take the rest away out. So once you've got all the screws out, all you need to do is tip the machine back over and the top will come off like so. Get your phone or camera and take a photo of the setup that you have here. You've got to make sure that this lead goes back onto this So basically all you have to do is unhook that. Unhook that. Controller. Once you've taken the photo, you can see which one and then install the rubber grommets. Two screws that we've taken out. The base is nice and set in place and just reinstate Once you've got the base firmly screwed back on, turn the machine back over, take the cradle and simply sit it.
Is there a wrong way and right way to put that on?
No, there's only one way it can go. These two holes have to go towards the back of the machine.
Okay.
cradle on, turn it up. You will want to have some light in here so you can see where the screws are in. A matter of reinstating these screws into your cradle. So this is a magnetised screwdriver.